Welcome to SugarSync. Today we're going to talk about backup and remote access. SugarSync gives you anytime, anywhere access to all of your files, and this includes a number of key features. It allows you to back up your data from one or multiple computers to your SugarSync account. It allows you to access that data from a variety of computers and mobile devices. It allows you to synchronize your data across multiple computers. And finally, it lets you share files and folders with other people for easy collaboration. Now today we're going to focus on backup and remote access of your data. So let's jump right in. When you initially set up SugarSync on your computer, you'll select the folders that you want to back up. When I set up my computer, I selected my documents, my pictures, my music, and my desktop folders. Now remember, you can always add folders later if you need to. Once you have SugarSync set up on your computer, it will run in the background. SugarSync will automatically back up your files when you save them. You don't have to do anything special, just save your documents and SugarSync handles the rest. You'll know that SugarSync is backing up the new document by looking at the system tray icon. You'll see arrows on the icon when it is uploading the document. Now imagine you're on vacation and you go to an internet cafe. By opening a browser and logging into your SugarSync account, you have full access to all of your data. On the left, you'll see a list of all of your computers that are running SugarSync. I'm going to click on the home laptop so I can find the document that we created earlier. Now here's the file that we just created. It's backed up in SugarSync where it's safe and secure. When I click on the file, I get a bunch of options. I can download the file, which is pretty handy. But let's say I want to make a change to this document. SugarSync has a feature called WebSync, which makes this really easy. It's a small Java application that automatically downloads the file from SugarSync and opens up the file. Now when you save a change to the document, the little Java application will detect the change and will automatically save it back to SugarSync. When you're done, you can click the Done with All button, which deletes all of the temporary files that were used on the computer. So when you leave the internet cafe, you can be confident that there's nothing left behind. Now before we move on, I want to show you one thing that's really cool. If you click on the document, you'll see a link for versions. SugarSync automatically stores up to 5 versions of the file. So as you're making changes, you have a rolling history of each version, and it's very easy to switch back to an older version if necessary. In a separate tutorial, we'll show you how easy it is to restore all of your data from your entire account, and this is useful if your computer gets damaged, lost, or stolen. Let's go back to my home computer so I can show you one last thing. Whenever edits are made to one of your documents, SugarSync will automatically update the document stored in your computer. In this case, we see the new line of text that we added when we were at the internet cafe. So SugarSync not only backs up the file, but it also synchronizes changes to the computers that are running SugarSync. You'll always have the latest and greatest at your fingertips. So that's a quick example of backing up your files and getting remote access to your data. In a separate tutorial, we'll also show you how to get access to your data from mobile devices. I hope this helps, and we'll see you next time.